Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss average period method. Page number 101. If the partners withdraw fixed amount at fixed time interval, for example, every month 1000. Fixed time 1st January, 1st February, 1st March. That method to be followed. Interest on drawings are made may be calculated on the basis of average period. Fixed time interval refers to withdrawal made monthly, quarterly, halfly, once in 2 months, or once in 4 months. The following formula may be used to calculate the interest on drawings. See, note the point: fixed amount and fixed time interval. This is the main important point. Fixed amount and fixed time interval. See the formula for interest on drawings: total amount of drawings made during the year into rate of interest per annum into average period by 12 or 24. See, average period is equal to number of months from the date of first withdrawal to the end of the year. See, first withdrawal to end plus number of months from the date of last withdrawal at the end of the month. Okay, this is the formula in average period interest on drawings. Average period is computed as follows. The following table shows the average period in months for withdrawal made at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. Every month, quarter, each half year. See, monthly beginning 12 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to average 6.5. Middle 11.5 plus 0.5 divided by 2 is equal to 6. End 11 plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to average 5.5. Quarterly 12 plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 7 by 5. 7.5. 10 point middle 10.5 plus 1.5 divided by 2 is equal to 6. See the last one at the end. 9 plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to average 4.5. Half yearly 12 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 9 months average. 9 plus 3 divided by 2 are 24 is equal to average 6. 6 plus 0 divided by 2 are 24 is equal to average 3. This is the formula. Then how to find out 12 plus 1, 12 plus 3, 12 plus 6, 11.5 plus 5, over 10.5 plus 1.5, 9 plus 3, 11 plus 0, 9 plus 0, 6 plus 0. How to find out this one? Now I am going to explain this formula. See at the beginning 12 plus 1. How to calculate 12 plus 1? See the book note. Average period method. Drawings made at the beginning of every month. For example, fixed amount of rupees 1000 per month withdraw from the business particular partner. See, 1000 per month. See, January 1st he withdraw 1000 rupees January 1st. How many months we are going to calculate interest from January to December? 12 months. So 1000 into rate by 100. Okay. Then second withdrawal February 1st. How many months? 11 months. 1000 into rate by 100 into 11 by 12. March 1. How many months? 10 months. Okay. 10 into rate by 100 into 10 by 12. April. 9 months. 1000 into rate by 100 into 9 by 12. The same. Like May, June, July, August, September and October. October 1st withdrawal. From October to December, 3 months. So 1000 into rate by 100 into 3 by 12. Then November 1st, 2 months. 1000 into rate by 100 into 2 by 12. December 1st, 1 month. 1000 into rate by 100 into 1 by 12. It is very difficult to find the rate of interest on drawings. Time consumptions are more. So instead of that, now we consider only first withdrawal and last withdrawal. These two are add 12 and last withdrawal 1 month. Now we taken into account first withdrawal and last withdrawal. 12 plus 1 13 months. Okay, this is the formula. 12 plus 1 13 months. First withdrawal plus last withdrawal. Okay, total amount drawn 1000 into 12 months, 12,000. Rate of interest, rate by 100 into 13 by 24. See, these 13 into divided by 24 or divided by 2. 13 divided by 24 or 13 divided by 2. So we can follow anyone. Now we get accurate result. This one is the beginning of every month. Then next one, middle of every month. Middle of every month, the formula 11.5 plus 11.5 plus 0.5 divided by 2. How to find this month? See, drawings made at the middle of every month means January 15th, February 15th, March 15th, April 15th, May 15th, June 15th, July 15th, August 15th, September, October, November, December 15th. For first withdrawal, 15th of January. How many months we are going to calculate interest on drawings? 11.5 months. Because after 15 days only we are going to withdraw money from the business. So 1000 into rate by 100 into 11 by 12. Second withdrawal, February 15th, 10.5 months. 1000 into rate by 100 into 10.5. March 15th, 9.5 months. 1000 into rate by 100 into 9 by 12. Then October, for example, October, 1000 into rate by 100 into 2.5. November, 1000, 1.5 months. 1000 into rate by 100 into 1.5 by 12. December, 15th. So only half months. 1000 into rate by 100 into 0.5 divided by 12. So these also take more time consumption for calculation of interest on drawings. Instead of that, like beginning, first withdrawal and last withdrawal are taken into account. Okay, so 11.5 plus 0.5. 11.5 plus 0.5, 12 months. Okay, so total amount drawn into rate by 100 into 12 by 24 or 6 by 12 or 6 by 2, 12 by 2 or 6 by 2. So 1000 into 12, 12 months into rate by 100 into 12 by 24. This is the formula for finding interest on drawings on average period and middle of every month. Then drawings made at the end of every month. See, end of every month. Formula 11 plus 0 divided by 2 is equal to average 5.5. How to calculate 11 plus 0? See, January 31st, 11 months withdrawal. February 28, 10 months. March, 9 months. April, 8 months. May, 7 months. October, 2 months. November, 1 month. Last withdrawal, December 31st. Because we withdraw at the end of every month. So after December, no months. So 0 months. And first and last are taken into account. 11 plus 0 is equal to 11 months. So total amount drawn into rate by 100 into 11 by 24. This is the formula for finding calculate interest on drawings on average period. Then second thing, note the point. Quarterly, beginning 12 plus 3, middle 10.5 plus 1.5, end 9 plus 0. How to calculate this? Now I explain. See, quarterly drawings. See, generally quarterly means 1 year is divided by 4. 1 year is divided by 4. So quarterly means once in 3 months. Quarterly means once in 3 months. Now our partner withdraw beginning of each quarter. Beginning means first quarter from January to March. Amount withdraw by the partner on 1st January. From January to December, how many months? 12 months. Okay, and the beginning of second quarter on which date? 1st April. After 3 months over, January, February, March over. From April, second quarter beginning April, he withdraw 1000 rupees. So 9 months from April to December. And third quarter, beginning of third quarter, July. July to December, how many months? 6 months. And fourth quarter, October to December, that is the last quarter. Then beginning of fourth quarter, October, how many months we are going to calculate interest? 3 months. Okay, we taken into account first and last. We consider first and last. 12 plus 3, 15 by 24 or 15 by 2. See, the total amount drawn into 8 by 100 into 15 by 24 or 15 by 2. How many times withdraw? 1000 into 4 times. Beginning of each quarter. First quarter 1000, second quarter 1000, third quarter 1000, and fourth quarter also 1000. 4 into 1000, total amount drawn 4000. Are you clear? Then, middle of each quarter. Middle of each quarter. See, generally, first quarter means January to March. Listen carefully. First quarter, January to March. Middle of each quarter, which date? 15th of February. 15th of February is the middle of first quarter. See, January to March, January, February, March. February middle is the middle of first quarter. So 15th February, he withdraw 1000 rupees. So how many months? From January as well as the first 15th also to be ignored. From 2nd 15th of February to December 31st, 10.5 months. Okay. Then second quarter middle. Second quarter beginning April, May, June. Middle of second quarter 15th May. From 15th May to December 31st, 7.5 months. Okay. Then, and third quarter means July, August, September. July, August, September. Middle of third quarter, August 15th. From August to December, 4.5 months. Then fourth quarter, October, November, December. Middle of fourth quarter, 15th November. 15th November to December 31st, 1.5 months. We taken into account first and last. 10.5 plus 1.5, 12 by 24 or 6 by 12 or 12 by 2. 12 by 2. 12 by 2 also consider. See, total amount drawn. 4 times withdraw. 4 into 1000, 4000. Into 8 by 100 into 12 by 24. Now we get the answer. Then, end of each quarter. First quarter end, January, February, March. First quarter end, 31st March. From April to December, 9 months. Okay. Second quarter end. Second quarter, April, May, June. End of June, 30th. After June only now withdraw. From July to December, 6 months. And third quarter end, September. Okay. That is July, August, September. September end. September, October. Wait. Third quarter end September. Okay. July, August, September. September end to December, 3 months. Then and fourth quarter end October, November, December. December is the end, 31st December. Then no more months after December. So 0 months. 9 plus 0, 9 by 12 or 9 by 2. Okay, total amount drawn into 8 by 100 into 9 by 12. Then drawings made at the end of each half year. See, 12 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 9 by 9 plus 3 divided by 2. 6 plus 3 divided by 2. How to find out these months? Just I explain. Drawings are made at the beginning of each half year. Half year means 1 year is divided by 2. Now 6 months. Beginning of each year. First half year January to June. Second half year July. First half year January to June. Second half year July to December. See the particular path. Generally first half year January to June. Second half year July to December. But we calculate interest and the date of drawings is main important one. See, he withdraw on 1st January. January 1000 rupees he withdraw from the business. From January to December how many months? 12 months. Okay. Second half year beginning. Which date? July. July to December how many months? 6 months. So 12 plus 6. 18 by 24 or 9 by 12 or 9 by 2. The total amount drawn into 8 by 100 into 9 by 2. 1000 into 2, 2000. Then middle of each half year. Middle of each half year. First half year, middle. January, February, March, April, May, June. Out of 6 months, which one is middle? January, February, March. March is 31st is the middle. Okay, he withdraw 1000 rupees from the business on 31st March. From 31st March to December, 9 months. And the middle of second half year, 30th September. September to December. How many months? 3 months. So 9 plus 3, 12 by 24 or 6 by 12 or 12 by 2. Okay, now we can any formula. Then end of each half year. See, first half year end January to June. He withdraw 30th June. June to December 6 months. Second half year end July to December. End of second half year December. No more months. So 0. 6 plus 0 divided by 24 or 6 by 2. So total amount drawn into 8 by 100 into 6 by 24. 1000 into 2, 2000 into 8 by 100 into 6 by 12. This is the formula. Okay. Are you clear? Now we are going to see the illustration number 1. Sorry, illustration number 16. John is a partner in a firm. He withdraws ₹1000 per month regularly on interest on drawings charged at 5% each. Interest, the calculate drawings using average period. Beginning of every month, middle of every month, end of every month. See, total amount drawn 12,000. If the drawings are made at the beginning of the each month. See, already I said beginning means 12 plus 1, 13. Then first withdrawal 12 months, last withdrawal 1 month. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 by 24. That is total amount drawn in rate of interest into average period. See, 12,000 into 5 by 100 into 13 by 24 or 6 by 6.5 divided by 12. Now 325. And middle of every month. Middle of every month. That is average period is 6 months. Okay, average period 6 months. See, first withdrawal 11.5 months. Last withdrawal half months. 12 by 24 or 6 by 12. So 12,000 into 5 by 100 into 6 by 2, 300. Then, if the drawings are made at the end of every month, interest on drawings, first withdrawal 11 months, last withdrawal 0. 11 plus 0, 11 by 24 or 11 by 5.5 divided by 12, 12,000 into 5 by 100 into 5.5 is equal to 275. Okay, then illustration number 17. Priya and Kavita are partners. Priya draws 4,000 at the end of each quarter. Interest on drawings is chargeable at 6%. Calculates interest on drawings for the year ending 31st December 2018 using average period. See, calculation of interest on drawings using average period. Total amount drawn See, end of each quarter, 4 times, 4 into 4,000, 16,000. Drawings are made at the end of each quarter. Average period. First, end வந்து 9 months, 6 months, 3 months. Okay, already I said end of each quarter. Okay, 9 plus 0 divided by 12 or 4.5 divided by 12, 360. See, Vanilla and Easwari are partners. Vanilla draws 5,000 at the beginning of each half year. Interest on drawings is chargeable at 4% per annum. Calculate interest on drawings for the year ending 31st December by using average period. Amount of drawings 5,000 into 2 because he withdraw 5,000 at the beginning of each half year. First half year 12 months, second half year 6 months. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 by 24 or 9 by 12. Okay, total amount drawn 2 times 5 into 2,000, 10,000 into rate of interest 4 by 100 into 9 by 12 is equal to 300. Okay, so students, regarding this, you have any doubt, we will discuss online class. See the problem. Just problem number 16, 17 and 18. These three are homework. Please try, do the homework without fail. Now today class is over. Regarding this problem, you have any doubt, we will discuss tomorrow online class. So do the homework without fail. Can do. You have any doubt, ask me later. Thank you.